At Amherst Alarm, you can always call us to help solve a problem with your central vacuum system, but sometimes the problem can be solved without having to call us to set up a service appointment. Here are some simple ways that you can troubleshoot your system, which will be demonstrated by our technician, Tyler. If you have a hose giving you low or no suction, it is possible that one switch option may be working while the other ones are not. Make sure that they all work. Try operating the switches in all positions. When plugging a hose into an outlet, make sure that the top of the hose is aligned with either the top or bottom of the outlet. This is the only way the suction can be activated in the power unit. If there is no suction when your hose is plugged in, turn the hose 90 degrees in the inlet. This should turn the power unit on. If it does, there is an issue with the hose. If not, there is an issue with the wires going into the inlet itself, or the power unit. Call us for help with service on this. If you have any other questions troubleshooting your central vacuum system, or if there's a problem you can't solve on your own, please give us a call at 716-632-4600.